With ChildFriendly, you can be up and running within minutes. Our all-in-one daycare platform is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, allowing for easy self-setup without the need to speak to a sales or support agent. Although, if you do require assistance, our team of experts are ready to support you. After signing up for our platform directly from our website, navigate to the Setup module in ChildFriendly. Start by adding in the information for each of your centers. Toggle on Setup mode for each center to halt automatic emails while you set up. Continue adding information under each organization's sub-tab. Be sure to utilize the question mark icons for detailed explanations of each field. Move on to the Center Main tab and repeat the process with its corresponding sub-tabs. Ensure completion of all main tabs with their corresponding sub-tabs. Along your journey, you will encounter the Import Data tab, where you can easily upload all your existing staff and family members into ChildFriendly. Once your data is uploaded, add registration records to each child's profile. When everything is in order, return to the Setup module and toggle off Setup mode. Families will receive automatic emails welcoming them to ChildFriendly, along with a link to their portal and temporary password for completing agreements and updating information. And there you have it. It truly is that simple. But to offer even more assistance, we've developed a resource library containing training videos that you can share with your staff, center directors, and others. Switching to software can be daunting, but with ChildFriendly it's stress-free and straightforward.